Hello guys, welcome to Index Trainer channel. Today we are going to talk about the Reliance Industries stock. Since it has become a hot stock now, suddenly people are turning bullish, and what the chart and the technical analysis and the trade setup tells, we'll discuss in detail. So let's move on to the analysis. First we talk about the moving average setup, that is the exponential moving average setup, where we can see the stock is following a 10 EMA and 100 EMA. So I have plotted both the things, so you can also backtest those things. So you can see the stock is very much following the 10 EMA. Now the price is trading below the 10 EMA. You can see there is a consolidation here. I can show you this. See this, I'll show now the price action setup. The stock is now trading in a box, see here. So there was some selling here and then a buying, but this up move turned out to be a fake one, and you can see there is a lot of selling pressure here. And also you can see there is a solid resistance in the 1495 levels, and above that there is a considerable sell zone here, where whenever the stocks comes here it gets rejected and it pushed back to the below side. So it took support near 1495, and again it went back to that sell zone, and it again pushed back to this 1495 level. So overall you can see this 1495 acting as a strong resistance, and now the price is below this. So if you see, this box is a consolidation thing, where this stock is getting consolidated here around this area, and then a big move can happen. That's what this setup is showing. Also you can see the trend line here. This trend line, it took support from here 1 2 and here 3 and then 4. Long support point at this 1300 level. There is also a gap here. There was an AGM happened in stock during the August month, and the stock again took a big gap up, and then it went up. After that, before proceeding to upwards, the stock gap gets filled and then it moved up. So you can see the similar kind of pattern also here. There was a gap here also, that was also got filled, and then the stock now trying to move towards this point. Even the 100 EMA also is nearby, and this point is also nearby. So both the setups are confirming that this stock can move towards 1300 levels. So this is one aspect, and another aspect is if this stock goes gets moved up also, it can go up to 1495 level, and then this level. This is a strong resistance here. Only going above this level is what we can say it is a bullish. Till that time there will be a sell zone here and it gets rejected. You can also see there is a lot of wicks here. There is only a small body and there are a lot of huge wicks here pointing out. That itself giving a signal that there is a price rejection. And here also you can see there was a on 13th May there was a push from the bull side, but again it got rejected by the bear side. And here today there is a big push by the bulls, but let's see the confirmation candle whether it is going up or it is down. But mostly the stock seems to be in a consolidation phase before going into the big move. That is what is very visible. Even the 10 EMA also giving a sign that it is acting as a strong resistance as of now. So both the setups are giving a neutral sign, not a bullish sign. Volume analysis. So what the volume says about this. I have taken a 3-month volume of Reliance. Here you can see from February to till May. Earlier the stock was used to have a delivery percentage of around above 50%. You can see 60 50 40 60 50. So the stock continuously trading above around 50 to 60%, that is delivery quantity to traded quantity. The increase in delivery quantity gives the confirmation that the stock is bullish when the price is also going up. When the price is going down and the delivery percentage keeps increasing, that confirms the strong bearish trend. So now you can see the stock is trading. Even though stocks moves up, the delivery percentage is keep getting down, and you can see when there was a huge sell-off on 12th May, you can see the delivery percentage increased. And yesterday also there was a up move, but even though the delivery percentage is only 26%, so it is not a delivery based buying. We can say, we can conclude the volume is not confirming a uptrend. I will show it in figure also here. This delivery volume is calculated on the base of the money flow, that is in crores. You can see that when the stock moved down from 1576 to 1479 on 12th May, there was a huge selling here where the delivery volume is in rupees is big, and conclude that there is someone who is offloading this stock continuously, whether it is an institution, but seems to be an institution because a big amount is being transferred here. So overall the volume is not confirming the up move. So it is only a speculative move which we can see the stock given a uptrend, but it will not sustain because of the volume, as it is very low compared to the previous trading volumes it used to happen before. This is the this month, May month option chain here. So in the option chain we can see the call side looks very strong. Only because of the slight up move on Friday, the writing was not happened. There was a huge writing before also. So overall the call side is very strong. Only a small short covering happened, but nothing bullish here, because if it is a bullish, then definitely here the put writing can be seen, but here the put writing is very weak. It is not confirming a strong uptrend because the put writing has not happened at all. There was only happening at 1400 and 1386 level. That is also very small part. The way was not very huge enough to push up. So option chain confirming a bearish signal where the call writing is more active and the put writing is very weak. So this also confirmed that even there is a speculative move. There are people who bought calls also, but overall the institution keeps selling the calls and not writing the puts. So that confirmed the bearishness in the option chain. Now we move on to the intraday setup here. This is a 1 hour channel, 1 hour chart. So in the chart you can clearly see there is a trend line here where you can see the price getting rejected. If there is a movement comes in the bearish side or it is in the bullish side. But the option chain is confirming that 1400 acting as a strong support of this month, and 1500, that is 1495 to 1500 acting as a strong resistance. So it will move in this range as of now. So there is no bullish signal nor a bearish signal. If you consider for investment or trading opportunity, both the cases the stock is not favoring a risk reward ratio. So I would suggest that we should wait for a level confirmation whether it should cross above this 1600 or it should cross below, it should fall below 1400, so that the gap can get filled. So that's what confirming this. So thank you very much. So hope you like this video. Please like, hit button and subscribe to his channel. I can assure more such videos in future. Also a nifty setup will be coming tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you.